Let me tell you something about TikTok that a lot of beginners don't understand. Opening a new TikTok account and posting videos does not automatically mean people will start discovering you. You can actually create your account today, post an amazing video, and still wake up tomorrow wondering where is everybody. And no, that doesn't automatically mean TikTok has shadow banned you. Let me explain what you should actually be doing. When you are still growing, your content needs to find the right audience, alright? TikTok doesn't know everything about you on day one. It is learning from the content you create, the people who interact with your content, the topics you talk about, and how viewers repost your videos. So, one mistake I see beginners make is this. They post that video and immediately they post that same video, they will disappear from TikTok. You post at 8 p.m. By 8 p.m., you've closed the app. You don't interact with anybody. You don't even respond to comments. You don't even check other creators that are in the same niche with you. You don't even comment on that post. You don't even comment on that. You don't even participate in any conversation. Then tomorrow, you come back, post another video, and disappear again. My dear, you're treating TikTok like a place where you just drop your video and run away. Social media is called social for a reason. Yes, now I'm not telling you to go around commenting nice one under 100 people's video because you think that will magically make TikTok push your content. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying become an active member of the community that you're trying to build in. For example, if you create content about fitness, go and learn from other fitness creators. Watch their videos, join conversations that are relevant to your niche. Comments. Leave meaningful comments when you genuinely have something useful to contribute on. Then if somebody asks a question and you know the answer, contribute. If another creator shares something valuable, add your own perspective. And when people come across your comments and find it useful or interesting, they may become curious about you and visit your profile. So that's how you start creating discoverability around your name. But there's another important part that you need to don't use engagement as a replacement for good content. Yes, if your video has a weak hook, people won't stay. If your content doesn't solve a problem, people may scroll past your video. If you're talking about something your target audience doesn't care about, engagement alone won't save the video. So you need both. Create content people actually want to watch and participate genuinely in the community where your target audience already exists. Did you understand it? Hope I'm making sense. Please don't become upset with checking your view every 5 minutes. You post a video and it has 100 views after 20 minutes. You start saying, TikTok hates me. My dear, relax, calm down. One video is not enough information to decide that your account has a problem. No, keep studying your content. Look at what people are responding to. Look at which topic gets better watch and engagement. Improve your hooks. Respond to your audience. Keep creating. And most importantly, give your account time to grow. Your goal shouldn't have to get one viral video. Your goal is to build an audience that knows what you are talking about and has a reason to come back. Please, that's how you start building your real visibility. So if you're a beginner and you're wondering why you're posting but nobody seems to know you yet, don't just post and disappear. Create good content, study your audience, respond to your people, join relevant conversation, and stay active within your niche, alright? And if there is anything you want me to teach, drop it under the comment section. Alright? Follow me because we're learning this social media thing together. Alright? Peace out.